some bad news but good news at the same time.
Due to unforeseen circumstances, Railways is going to be closing forever. I'm kidding.
Sorry to our customers, we are going to close for the Easter, only for the next weekend, but we are opening for you again.
And we too also need to enjoy our holidays. So in 2 more weeks, we'll be back to party with you guys again.
We're actually going to be closing over Easter, so we wish you all a wonderful Easter and safe travels to wherever you are going.
So I want you to all enjoy that Easter and have fun with family.
We are not gone forever. We will be back on the 8th of April and there's so much to look forward to.
We hope that you guys will join us on the 9th for comedy evening, Friday night Village Vibes. You know how it is, live music Friday, live music Saturday.
After Easter, we are having arts in the It's more fun, less.
You can bring your friends, you
Bring your own booze, lots of bands on offer, so keep up to date on our Facebook page and we'll see you there.
There's great bands, great service, and once again great hubbies. See you soon.
Thank you guys for your support and we will see you